Is the Axial SCX10 II still a good rig in 2021? Let's take a look and find out. What is going on, everybody, and welcome back to the RC Propaganda YouTube channel. On this channel, I cover everything to do with scale RC rock crawling, so if that is something that interests you, please consider subscribing and click on the bell notification so you can see anytime that I post new videos. But let's get into today's topic. Alright guys, today's topic is the SCX10 II platform. As we head into 2021 here, is it still a good choice if you're looking to pick a new rig up? Can it compete with the new rigs that are out there on the market today? Let's take a look and find out. Well, all right, guys, here it is, the SCX10 II platform. So it does come with the AE5L waterproof ESC, comes with a metal geared Tactic servo and a Tactic radio as well. This started its life as an axial deadbolt. Since Horizon has taken over, I am not sure if the newer rigs are coming with the Spectrum stuff, but when I bought this rig, it came with the Tactic stuff. So the electronics will be swapped out a little bit, but who really likes stock electronics anyway? You're gonna upgrade, right? Overall, it is a pretty good platform, and it does come in many different body options. So I'm gonna list those off for you right here. You got the Jeep Wrangler, you got the Jeep Cherokee. It comes as a deadbolt. You could get it with the UMG 10 Unimog look-alike, plus it's got a 6x6 you could get with that same body. You have the Blazer, which I have here. Then you have the Ford F100 pickup body as well. Plus you have two different kit options. You can get it just as a builder's kit. It's called the Raw Builder's Kit. Or you can get it as a kit with the Cherokee body, which is a really nice option as well. So you do have many rigs to choose from if you want to go for this platform. Now, the layout is all pretty much the same. Ladder chassis with their classic 3-gear transmission. Maybe a little dated, but it is super reliable, which is really nice. Depending upon what model you go with, you will get some different setups on the links. You can see here I have these nice stainless steel links on here. This was a deadbolt at its start, and it came with plastic links. But if you're serious and you're gonna do a build, you really want some better links. I prefer these Incision stainless steel links. That is like my favorite link to go with. So just something to keep in mind. But if you're just looking to get into crawling with all the different options, you can spend less money or you could spend some more money, but it depends on your goals. If you're just trying to get into RC and you want to see if rock crawling's for you, the deadbolt comes in at the cheapest price at $300, and that is just a pretty decent deal for what you get. It will get you down the trail. It'll kind of show you what these trucks are capable of, and if you want to go farther, you can do any of the mods that you would like and go from there. So it's a good starting option if you don't have your own electronics. If you do have your own electronics, or you've been in the hobby for a little while and you could put something together, I heard the builder's kit is pretty nice. Myself, I've never actually built their kit. I have stripped down these trucks quite a few times and messed around with them. I know their kit offers a couple different things, and I believe that is a better version of Metal Links. So this Blazer is on the more expensive side of their lineup, and it came with some weird thin metal links that I didn't like. I did replace them on this. They're just not on here, just a steering link. But this rig, I was not feeling those thin metal ones, so I upgraded. But I did quite a few things to this rig, which brings me to a positive with the SCX10 II, and that is the aftermarket availability. You can pretty much do anything you want to these. There's so many different parts out there, so it makes it a really good choice if you're looking to build something, as you can, really take it to about as far as you want to go with this platform. I know it doesn't have some of the latest and greatest things that you're seeing out there, but I still think it is a pretty solid performer. With that said, I don't know the availability on them. I do not know if they're going to keep making these rigs, but right now you can go to A-Main. They have a few models in stock. Other places are showing that you can back order it. You could always hit up JJ Customs, give him a call, see if he has any in stock, and he could ship that out to you. That would be my #1 recommendation, is trying to get in touch with JJ Customs and see what he has, see what he can do for you. If it was me, that's what I would do. But if you look, I'm sure you can find places to order them. The stock may be different all over. Seeing how it can be back ordered, I'm assuming they're still making them. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe they just have them sitting somewhere, but you know, it is what it is. So in conclusion, is the Axial SCX10 II platform still a good choice as we move into 2021? I would have to say it's a pretty good option. With the availability of aftermarket parts and just being able to really do some crazy builds, and it's just a solid, reliable performer, and you can never go wrong with reliability. And you know, for me, I like to have fun. I don't want to be breaking things, and the SCX10 II is a very proven design. So is it, you know, going to hang with some of the new rigs? I think it will. I think you'll be surprised. Does it have some of the fancier stuff? No, but like I said, it's very reliable and tried and true. So for me, that makes it a good choice. Well, all right, guys, I was going to wrap it up for our look here at the SCX10 II. If you like this video, I encourage you to go watch some of my other videos. They will start popping up here on the end screen. Click on those, watch those. But you know the deal. I catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.